Hello, everyone. Today I am drawing a beautiful cake. Let's draw and paint it together. Please try to draw with me. Children must subscribe to this channel after watching the video, so that when a new drawing video is released, you will be the first to see it. I love drawing and painting so much. This cake is going to so colorful after the painting. It looks so beautiful. It's painting time. First with the orange color. Nice. Add lovely pink color. Gorgeous. Now add brown color. This cake is looking absolutely delicious. Children must subscribe to this channel after watching the video, so that when a new drawing video is released, you will be the first to see it. Let's add yellow color. Some green color. This cake is so beautiful, isn't it? Let's finish off with red color. So colorful cake. It's glitter time. Orange glitter. So beautiful. Pink glitter. So shiny. Brown glitter. Nice. Yellow glitter. Fabulous. Green glitter. Let's finish off with red glitter. Let's blow. This cake looks so amazing. Please subscribe for more easy drawing videos. See you on next video.